Sniperz227 here. So when we left off, we made our window completely graphical user interface, a bowl, and now what we're gonna do is, I know it looks really ugly, but I don't really care about design. What we're gonna do is we're gonna let the user drag their file. When they drag that file, it's going to I don't know if I want to add this in now. It's going to check the extension to see if it's a valid file, and if it is, then it's going to add the file path to the window, and we're going to be able to, oops, I gotta change that, remove that, or we can convert it. So I'm just going to quickly change the name, remove. So you can make another case here called WM drop files, I think. WM drop files. It's just going to handle everything, so we're going to make an H drop variable. H drop. It's going to be a variable we're going to use. We're going to do drag. By the way, it's only going to have one file at a time, or multiple. And I'm going to make a variable now. Try files. And max will make 500. So drag finish H drop. So it's going to test see if this works first before we validate it. Message, so LB list, so we're going to send a message. That's going to be LB for listbox add string, and then we're going to hit 0, and param, we're going to do what string we want to add here. We're going to add the files, because when you drag it, it's going to save the path to this variable, or files variable, and we want to write that files variable into list. So I'm going to see how it works out, and turn my phone on silent. There we go, so shows the full path. But now I'm going to put in the remove. Actually removes pretty easy. Obviously if you add a string we want to remove it. So I'm going to make just a void called WM command. So do if lparam equals lparam b underscore remove. So send message. So first we're gonna get what? We're gonna check which item they have selected, and then we're gonna remove that item. So if I believe LB, I think it's get Cursel. I just need to check the documentation to LB underscore Cursel to see if the W param is where it stores a variable. Their documents all online, so over here it says that turn in a single selection, the return value will be 0-base index LB Cursel, but
some coffee, half and half, sweet and lows, real cup, I'm going to pay for a styrofoam.
So int select selection selection, try this out. Selection equals LB cursor 0 0.
United States of America doesn't negotiate with terrorists.
Send message. Then we're gonna move it now. So LB list, LB remove or delete string. We do plan, and I think it's selection. Once again, my 132 is rusty, so I'm just gonna check that. Zero base, so it's W brands. So I'm gonna copy this to here. Let's see if it works now. Oh. Also, just before we do that, case WM command WM command change of V message WM L work. Test it out. Just like that, move, and it works.
Tango Juliet 19334.
So sorry, let's read the message. So now we got that. Gonna return to this. So we're gonna do basically we're gonna do a type of validation, and what we're gonna do is we're going to take the file. Once we take that file, we're going to basically we're going to take the string, extract the last 3 or 4 characters, which is obviously the extension. If you notice, .object has 3 files at the, or 3 characters at the back, so we're going to extract those, and we're going to make an if statement saying if those 3 characters that we extracted from the file is equal to object or .object, then add the what's this face? Add the file, sorry. And then if not, then don't do anything. So first we're going to make and called start and make it lined up find. So we're going to find the start of the end, if that makes sense. Find first of, so we're going to find that. Yeah, we string colon because we can't use string operations on characters.
Sniperz was designed as a self-contained, total isolation system. We would change the code to the computer itself, which is located.
The president will hold out as long as he can.
Name space std.
Nobody can hold out on those servers. So find time.
We go sublime, find first of, then we're going to find the end, which can be line dot find last of, what is it? Last of, and we're going to find another slash. So we want to find the last slash, and then make another string called name. And do line sub dot set string dot into 0 and start. Actually, one sec. I don't need that. I could just do like it extension do equals sub str start and end. So now I'm trying to think, one sec. How can I do this? Let's see what that counts. Right. Can do count start and space and I'm going to do extension. So temporarily for my my testing phases, I usually use a console. To do that, you could use this too when testing if you want to upgrade this. You use a console, and then over here, just gonna comment that out int main. I don't know, here, this should work. Oops, no semicolon. Okay. Apparently it doesn't like it. Finding the last. What am I doing? Should be done with this probably. Why is it not working? One sec. No. Okay, sorry. So I'm back, and I sort of have. What we need to do is we need to do find last of, and then because we're finding the last, I don't know why we're finding the last slashes, and we're finding the last dot. So if I do this, I just want to see what I have. So I'm just going to use a PNG because it's sort of, so we have that, and we need to get rid of that slash start plus 3, I guess. It might be 4, we'll see, because I just want so plus 4, yep. Plus 4, now we got it. If I'll just do extensions, there we go. If extension equals object, then we're going to add it to the list. If not, message box, and so we can tell the user error, not a supported file format, use .object, error. So let's try it out. Nope. That was .object. Okay, that's strange. Let's count extensions. Count extensions. Thought I had it. Apparently not. That's probably why. Not thinking. That's why I hate coding as soon as I wake up. It's supposed to be the end because you don't want to load the name. You want it to start from the dot to the object. I think it still won't work because it has to be. Oh yeah, it did work. So that's it for this one. So we got that working, knocked it out in about 17 minutes, which is pretty long, but anyways, the Sniperz227, next video is going to be more about actually creating the file, extracting data from the .object file, and then writing it to that file. So Sniperz227, and I'm out.